I believe Russia is on the side of justice. I believe Russia is on the side of peace. But the West are the culprits bringing division and disunity between Russia and Ukraine and creating a narrative that Putin is the aggressor. But they, who broke all the agreements and manipulated other people to achieve their own agenda and made them feel stupid, are not the aggressors. They are the good boys. Evil people. The truth is, the transformation that has happened in Russia over the course of this war has shocked the world, including the West. The sanctions and restrictions on Russia have never worked a bit. The Russian economy has boomed in the last couple of years, and Russian people have become wealthier and open to opportunities like never before. Russia has gained more influence in Asia, Africa, South America, and many parts of Europe. Forget about the hypocrisy of many of the European countries. They know the truth, and they know the agenda of their master, and many of them are not in line with it, but there is nothing they could do about it. So, they are just playing good boys. They want to be seen as good and obedient to their masters, while those ones focus on achieving their selfish goals. But behind the scenes, some European countries are courting Russia. They are looking for ways to do business with Russia and encourage their people to go learn from Russians. Back to the issue about Africa. The time and season have changed. It's a new dawn and a new era. Things have changed for the better, and Africa is no longer where they think it was. Maybe not in terms of what they are seeing outside, because they keep monitoring what is happening on the continent. So they are so confident that nothing is changing with their surveillance. But for sure, something is going on. Something is changing in the minds of Africans. Something is happening within us that will liberate our nations from the hands of the wolves. They might have dominated us for centuries, but now it's our time. Now it is the time for a meaningful and lasting change in Africa. Now it's Africa's time for global impact and influence in the world. Read next, a letter from a black man to a white man. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact +31,685,154,335 WhatsApp message only. For support and sponsorship, contact sopiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. 2. Africa's nuclear weapon. 3. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works, sell 1. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.